everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week's super cool fold is a really great hybrid format. So hybrid formats are, at least two formats that combine to make a new and unique format. So this is an open gate cross hybrid. I think you're really going to like it. This was designed by Susie Amsbury of Kennesaw State University in Georgia, printed by RRD Atlanta. So this piece could go in an envelope or also be handed out. This is a recruitment piece. It starts with these kind of sculpted die cut panels on the front. So they create these wings. It says find your wings. And this starts as an open gate. So if you watch Fold of the Week, open gates, they gate in toward the center and back out in the opposite direction. So it starts like that, but then it has two more panels that open up and down. So it ultimately forms a cross format, but I really love this combo of open gate into cross. So really, really nice. These are this is on a 100-pound dull cover, and these were printed 4-color. There's a flood aqueous coating and then a spot raised gloss UV. So it creates a really nice texture and a feel, as well as kind of a visual texture that you can see. So die cut, hand fold. They did about 5,000 of these. Really cool. I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Hybrid open gate mailer. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial-ins, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.